What's up, mother truckers? I'm going to show you how to make the best deviled eggs you've ever had. All of my friends are raging about them. Let me just go ahead and get started. First things first, you got to have some wine, okay? Now, I'm not going to measure anything. I'm going to show you how to keep it real. So, got a little bit of Merlot. Second, you're going to need your hard-boiled eggs that are peeled. Now, this is what they do on TV. They show you all the perfect shit. Look at it. I had to go through all these to get the good ones. So, let's just go with it. Take your boiled, peeled eggs, cut through it, and what I'm doing is dropping the yolks into some diced up parsley and dill stems. Alright, you get the point. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these up, put all the yolks in there, be right back. Alright, so we got our egg yolks and our herbs in there. Now you want some mayo. I guess that technically you'd be probably aiming for around a half cup for a dozen eggs. Okay, and now mustard. I like spicy brown and, you know, just however much you want. And a little bit of coarse ground Dijon. Okay, now here's where it gets fun. I'm using a hot mustard oil. That's basically used in Indian cooking, Mediterranean cooking. Then I'm going to add some horseradish. Oh my God, right? You know these are going to be good. Even if you don't like horseradish, you're going to like it. Okay, then we're going to do some garlic powder. Oh, you know, don't go too crazy with it, but something like that. And you want some vinegar, maybe a teaspoon or two, maybe more. Okay, some crushed black pepper, fresh ground, lots. A little bit of salt, maybe, well, let's try that. Okay, so now we want to stir it and mash it together. I'm going to switch over to the potato masher. And there's so many different ways to make deviled eggs. This one turns out to be really dill with a little acidity and a little bit of crunch from those parsley stems. And I like to leave a little texture, so I don't even like to make it really smooth. I want people to see what's in it. Okay, so, all right, and now we go ahead and give it a taste. Let's give this a taste. It's perfect, right there. Right there. That's perfect. What's really gonna get everybody is at the end, you put the fresh dill on top and you sprinkle it with some smoked paprika. Okay, so now we want to fill these. How am I going to do that? Let me wash this off. I'll be right back. All right, I just washed this. I know I just had it in my mouth. Got clean hands. Don't worry about that. And you know, I've tried piping the yolks back in with a Ziploc bag that you cut the corner off. It looks pretty, but it's a big mess, you know? Just get in there with your fingers. Nobody's really going to be judging you unless you're on the cooking network, the Food Network. If you're Alton Brown watching this, suck my fat sausage. All right, I'll just finish these up. Be right back. All right, see? It ain't no big deal, but we do want fresh dill. So I just use kitchen scissors right over each little egg. Just kind of smush it down a little bit there. A lot. I'm telling you, use a lot. All of the people who've tried these, nobody has complained about it being too much dill. I know it looks like a freaking tree branch on there, but that's where your flavor is. That's where the aesthetic appeal is. It looks homemade. It looks artisanal. Okay, so let me just cover these up with some branches and give it the final touch in just a minute. Be right back. All right, now for the coup de grace, the smoked paprika. Just a dusting, very pretty presentation. And the smoked paprika, so much better than just regular paprika. I buy this online and it really does have a little bit of that smoke to it. Bright, little tang. Oh, I'm telling you, I could eat a dozen of these, no joke. So there you have it. What do you think? I got a party I'm going to tonight. These will be the first things gone, guaranteed. So get your deviled eggs on and happy cooking.